All right, this should be the last part of our study guide, the last video at least. All right, this section says to write an equation in standard form. That means you can't have a negative leading coefficient and you can't have any fractions. And this should be minus. Let me change it. All right, let's see what we have. We have y plus 4 equals 9 halves x minus 18 halves. Okay, so now we got to bring this x over here. So I have negative 9 halves x plus y plus 4 equals negative 18 halves. I think at this juncture, let's get rid of the fractions. Let's do that right now. And I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So now I have negative 9x plus 2y plus 8, because I had to multiply these by 2, equals negative 18. So now I'm going to subtract 18. I'm going up here. I have negative 9x plus 2y equals negative 26. Now I'm going to get rid of that negative sign, divide everything by negative 1. 9x plus minus, sorry, minus 2y equals 26. That's your final answer. Okay, I have 5 plus 3 equals negative 2/5 x minus 10 fifths. You know what? I know there's fractions, so I'm going to get rid of them right now. So I have 5y plus 15, because I'm multiplying everything by the denominator, equals negative 2x minus 10. Okay, so now I want to get this constant over here. So I have 5y equals negative 2x minus 25. I'm going to bring my x over here. So I have 2x plus 5y equals negative 25. And I am done with that. Let's see. Got a couple more things. All right. Remember, we're headed for this format. So I'm going to bring my x to the other side. So I have negative 1/3 x. Oh, it should be positive. No, it's negative. This is not negative. Plus y equals 1. I'm going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of that fraction. So I have negative x plus 3y equals 3. Now I'm going to divide by negative 1. So x minus 3y equals negative 3. All right. Looks like I give you the hard ones first. Because here all I need to do is add that 2x to each side. So I have 2x plus y equals 4. And we have a done deal. Looks like we have one more. So we have y equals negative 2/5 x plus 3. We're headed here with no fractions or no negative leading coefficient. So I'm going to add 2/5 x. So I have 2/5 x plus y equals 3. I'm going to multiply by 5. So then I have 2x plus 5y equals 15. All right. Let's put all these forms together to this question. Point slope form. So I have y minus 0 equals negative 3 halves quantity x minus 2. All right, I am going to go with white pen. I'm going to simplify. You can try to find a new y-intercept, but I'm just going to simplify this. So I have y equals negative 3 halves x plus 6 halves. So 6 halves is really 3. All right, so let me write that. There you go. Now from here, I can move this to standard form. So here's where I stood after I put it into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to add that 3 halves x to each side. So I have 3 halves x plus y equals 3. Got to get rid of that fraction. Can't have fractions in standard form. I'm going to multiply by 2. So I have 3x here plus 2y equals 6. All right, let's go to the next one like that. M equals negative 8/3 going through the point 3, negative 3. So I have y plus 3 equals negative 8/3 quantity x minus 3. All right. So I'm going to go from that point slope form. I'm going to simplify and get my slope intercept form. I'm going to distribute. So 24/3 is really 8. Make it easy on ourselves. Oop, this is 3. I don't know what I was thinking. This is still 3. So now I'm going to subtract 3. So I have y equals negative 8/3 x plus 5. Okay, so now we're going to take that and move it to standard. We're going to add 8/3 x to each side. Multiplying each side to get rid of that fraction. So now I have 8x plus 3y equals 15. All right, moving on. Let's go to the next page. Okay, this one goes through point 33 and is perpendicular to y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. Well, we know that perpendicular lines, they have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. So first, let's find our slope. Flip that upside down, use the opposite sign, so we have 2. My slope is 2. So we have y minus 3 equals 2 times x minus 3. Slope-intercept form, we are just going to simplify this. I'm going to add 3 to each side. So y equals 2x minus 3, sorry, minus 3. 6, negative 6 minus 3 is negative 3. Now we're going to put that in standard. I'm going to subtract 2x. Got to divide everything by -1 to get rid of that negative leading coefficient. So I have 2x minus y equals 3. What the heck? Holy cannoli. Technical difficulties. There we go. All right. Moving on. This time, we go through -1, -5, and we're perpendicular to y equals -4/3 x minus 3. This is spelled wrong. So I have my slope. I flip that upside down, change the signs, so we have 3/4. So I have y plus 5 equals 3/4 times the quantity of x plus 1. I'm going to simplify this. I think now is a good time to get rid of the fractions. So I have 4y plus 20 equals 3x plus 3. And subtract that 20. So I have 4y equals 3x minus 17. I'm going to subtract 3x. Oh, we're going slope-intercept form. So this is right. Well, I guess we don't have to get rid of the fractions. I was thinking of standard, but hold on. I'm going to still get us to standard form here, and then I'll go back to slope-intercept. So I have negative 3x plus 4y equals negative 17. Now I'm going to divide by -1. So in standard form, I have 3x plus the minus 4y equals 17. So that's our standard form. All right, I'm going to take one more part. We'll go in and fill the same